So today we are speaking about your website SEO. I know you're not very high skilled in SEO, but today we are speaking about setting up basic things on your website for SEO, and they are very easy to set up. And we are speaking about a new plugin which is very useful for your website SEO. Even you're not professional, you can set up your basic SEO on your website, and it will be a very nice thing for you to have your website Google friendly. Before we move forward, I would like to tell you that in this channel I give a lot of important tips and tricks that how you can create your website, how you can manage your website, and how you can make your website more faster and more secure. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet and you're new here, I highly recommend you subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you like the video, because when you give it a thumbs up, it can be reached to a lot of other people and they can also benefit with all the knowledge I'm sharing here on YouTube. So I'll take you to my screen and we'll see what plugin is this and how you can set up basic SEO of your website. This plugin is very easy to install and use, and it will do all the basic SEO stuff for you. Okay, so let's go into my screen and show you which plugin is it and how we can use this plugin. So first of all, log in into WordPress dashboard. Once you are here, from left sidebar, hover on plugins and then click add new. And now search for the plugin called Yoast SEO. You can see here they have 5+ million active installations. They have almost 5-star rating given by more than 27,000 people. So now click on install now. I'm using this plugin from so many years. I can recommend you this plugin. It is free to use and it will bring a lot of benefit when it comes to SEO on your website. So once it is installed, click on activate. Okay, plugin is activated. You can see here in the top you have this icon, Yoast SEO, the notification, the configuration wizard, keyword research, SEO setting. If you don't know about all these technical things, don't worry. We are going to cover all the basic things. So now the plugin installed, you can find this plugin on the left sidebar, Yoast SEO. So we're going to click on general. So this is the first time SEO configuration. You can click here with configuration wizard. So I click here. Now they ask you two questions. Your website is live and ready to be indexed, or your website is under construction and should not be indexed. I created a video about it, why you should not index your website when it is under construction. I'll put a link on top right, so you can click on that link and see why you do not need to index your website when it is under construction and how you can do that. So I'll say okay, my website is live and ready to be indexed. Then click next. They'll ask you what type of website you have. It is a blog, online shop, channel, a small offline business, corporation, portfolio, something else. So I can say it's a portfolio. Choose whatever is applicable for you. Then click next. They'll ask you are a person or an organization. So I'll say I'm a person. And they'll ask the name of person. I'll choose Let's Admin. You can choose whatever user is on your website. And then click next. So this is the interesting thing. Now this plugin is asking you want to show post in your search results. You make sure that all the things you want to show in search result should be checked yes. So I say yes, I want to show post in search result. I want to show pages in search result. I want to show my template in search results. No, I don't want to show that because this is a custom template I created on my website for my development purposes. So I don't want to show that. And then search engine should show Elementor header, footer and blocks template in search engine. I say no. Depending on WordPress website, you can have different options here. So choose carefully. Normally, if you choose post, pages, portfolio, tags, categories, they should be fine. You can choose media also, image and website to be indexed on search engine. So once you choose all the options, click next. They'll ask you a multiple author website. I don't have multiple author, I choose no. Then next. Okay, so now we come to title settings. On this page, you can change the name of your site and choose which separator to use. Separator is really very important to choose when it comes to your website. I prefer this one, hyphen always, but you can choose this one also. I will not recommend you choose something like asterisk or star. Better to stick with the basic ones. If you're a beginner, if you're advanced, you can choose other separators also. So I'll keep this one and then click next. No, I don't want to allow you to track my site data. Next. And then we are almost done. If you want, you can sign up with your email and they can send you beginner's course. It is free of cost. And then next. It's done. All the SEO website SEO setup is done. And then we can just close this wizard and I'll show you what this plugin does. So first it will create a sitemap of your website which can be indexed on Google. Second thing, it gives you option to analyze your website SEO. So on every page or on post, you can see your SEO score. I'll show you very fast. So if I go to my website pages, I click on all pages. And now I go to my home page from here and I click on edit. Okay, you can see on right sidebar, you can see you have this option Yoast SEO. It will tell you page analysis. So if you want to see more options, just click here on the top right, Yoast SEO. And from here you can see all the options what Yoast SEO is suggesting you. For example, if I click on Google preview, you can see on mobile this page will look something like this. on desktop, this page will look something like this, and gives us a warning here. Right now, the SEO title will be title, page, separator, what we choose, and the site title. If you want, you can just change it from here, and then the slug, and then description. You can see I did not add any description here, so you can add any description. For example, I will add how to make a better website, and you can see you have to type some content until it become green. But I'll advise you to type some content so that Google can know about your page, what this is about. So how to make a better website with WordPress, get free tutorials. You can see here this is now green. So when you will add your site title here, so once you are done, your page is now good as per SEO. So this is how you can analyze your page and post SEO scores. This is a very nice tool that can help you to set up your basic SEO. Let's see what other features this plugin has. So we'll click on features. So you can see the SEO analysis, which I already show you, readability analysis, corner store content, text click counter, XML sitemap, admin bar menu, security, no advanced or schema setting for authors, usage tracking, REST API, and enhanced Slack sharing. So this is all the features here. And now let's go to integrations. So you can integrate SEMrush and write integration also here. In the end, we have a master tools tab. So you can add your Google verification code, Bing verification code, Baidu or Yandex verification code to connect your website with all these search engines. This was so simple to set up basic SEO for your website. I really recommend you to install this plugin. It just takes few minutes and your website basic SEO will be set up so fast. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with somebody who want to improve their website search engine rankings. Thank you so much. See you in another video.